after Immigration and Customs, we're here. Gonna ride Fukuoka subway. So let's turn to right. Okay. North. Let's go. Diretso po. Oh. And this is the exit. So let's look. It's already, I don't know what time is it. Hindi ko alam. So punta tayo sa subway station. Siguro maglalakad. Pangitaon saan ako kung asa padulong ang subway. So this is Fukuoka, outside of Fukuoka Airport. So yan. Sabi doon diretso. Okay. Just follow the signs, guys. So, the shuttle bus number 1 to subway line. So, that's international. That's the bus. So, this one. Money siya, guys. So, subway station, okay. So, look for this side. This is a shuttle bus. International, domestic. Let's wait for the bus. So weird. So kuan day ni siya. Domestic departure. So pagbaba sa bus. There. Diretso. Oh, subway. This is the subway. Direction na, guys. So, okay, wala man tayo ticket. Mupalit sa tag-ticket. Wait, that's the entrance of the subway. But first, buy muna tayo ng ticket. Station. Got my card. So, tara, let's go.